So now that my childhood dream has been recognized, let's go ahead and take this backhoe off. So I'm going to line everything up when I'm up here in the operator station, kind of so I can get all of those retention pins right back in place. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this center locking pin, place it back into place so that that boom can't go either direction. I'm going to go ahead and take my big locking retention pin out. I'm going to drop the backhoe down to the backhoe storage location. Place that pin in, place the locking pin in place, the linch pin there. A nice thing to note when I'm doing this is all of the actual directions to do this are printed on placards right on the wall of this. So this is going to walk me through it. So if I ever forget a step, it's got it right here printed, so that's really nice. I want my bucket to be in a location so that my teeth are going to make impact with the ground. So I want to kind of level on the ground. Why that's important is over time that bucket, the hydraulics will drift off a little bit. So it's really important to have that kind of level with the ground so that if it does level off, it'll just hold itself in place. I'm going to take my outriggers, I'm going to lift up on those outriggers, and I'm going to bring them about level with the earth. So you want them just about level with the earth so I can drop this backhoe off. Okay, so now that we've got it all set up, ready to take off, I need to switch the hydraulics back from the backhoe back to the tractor. So the tractor, what I'm going to do there is I'm going to take this 3-point linkage and lift the weight off of those 2 pins so I can pull them out. So easier said than done, right? No, it's pretty easy actually. So I'm going to take the seat up. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the tractor cab. I'm going to turn the tractor off and release the hydraulic pressures on the line by rotating my loader line because it's all one connected hydraulic system. Now with the hydraulic pressure out of the line, I can go ahead and disconnect my lines to the Power Beyond side. So we'll disconnect that. I'm going to go ahead and cap it just so I don't forget. The other side, I'm going to take the tank return line off. Pull that right off. Excellent. I'm going to go ahead and cap that. A little bit of hydraulic fluid. And I'm going to reconnect my Power Beyond hose. And this is going to, again, complete the loop back to the tractor, and that will allow you to use the tractor hydraulics once again. So now the loop is complete on the tractor. Your backhoe is no longer connected to the tractor by hydraulics. It's just physically connected with pins right now. So now I'm going to go fire up my tractor, raise up the 3-point hitch so it takes the weight off of the pins, and that'll allow me to release those pins. All right, tractor's working again, hydraulic pressure's back up. I'm gonna go ahead and raise up my 3-point. Got the pressure off of the pins. Gonna pull those 2 big pins. Gonna re-engage the linch pin in the back so I don't lose it. Same thing on the other side. Pulling those large pins out. All right. Perfect. All the pins are disconnected. So all the pins are disconnected. We'll go ahead and lower our 3-point linkage, dropping our backhoe to the ground. Now all I need to do is drive forward and away from the backhoe, and we are completely separated from this apparatus. Back up in the tractor cab, I'm gonna go ahead and just drive forward. My 3-point linkage is all the way down. Perfect. Set up park brake, I'm gonna jump out. Last thing I need to do is take off this crossbar. I'll just leave it with the backhoe. I'll throw my center link back on the tractor, and then I can go out and do my next task. We're gonna pull this crossbar out. So we'll go ahead and knock that out, pull those pins out. I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall the linch pins there, and I'm gonna leave this with the backhoe so I don't lose it. This is pretty critical. I would reinstall my center link on my tractor, and then childhood dream fulfilled. Hi, my name is Jason Hughes. I'm a territory manager out of Eugene, Oregon. I'm also a large property owner and own a lot of the equipment that you see featured in these videos. I hope you find this content helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below.